Okay, today we're gonna make some beef roast. And I have a 2.61 pounds of, it's beef eye round roast, beef roast. So, but whatever beef roast you have, you may use. This is boneless. And, I had it in the freezer. I needed to use it and thawed it out. So, it's really simple. All you need is like really two ingredients. Well, three. You need the beef. Then you're going to need 1 package of onion soup. And then a can of cream of mushroom. Whatever you like. There's fat-free. There's, I don't know, more health conscious, whatever you like. And then a 1/2 cup of water. So let's get down to the crock pot and then we'll move on. So here we go. So here I have my beef with, I already put the tomato soup. If you have beef tomato soup, onion soup. If you got beef onion soup, you could use it. Mine's just regular onion soup. It's actually from Aldi's. I just use the knockoff brand. It's not, I mean, to me, I can't tell the difference. And then I'm just putting in 1 can of tomato soup. And then a 1/2 cup of water. And then I'm just going to add a little pinch of pepper and a little salt. And that's it. So this is going to cook for about, it depends on your crock pot, so about 6 to 8 hours on low, 3 to 4 or even 5, depending on how big your roast is, on high. So I'm going to just set it on. I'm going to do 6 hours. And I'm going to do it on low. I'm going to press on. And then I'm going to find my lid, wherever I put my crock pot lid. Found it. And then I put it on. And then that's it. So, we'll see you back in 6 hours. Welcome back, guys. It's been about, actually, it was about 5.5 hours. And I cut one to see how it was, so I'm just getting the roast out. And now, all I'm going to do is cut some slices. Make sure it's all done. I'm going to turn it off. I'm just going to put it on warm. Because while it's on warm, I'm going to put these slices back into the sauce. So it could pick up some more flavor. While I make some mashed potato and asparagus to go along with fancy roast. And that's it, guys. It came out beautiful. It's well done. If you want to add, like I said, I don't add a lot of salt and pepper. So that's why a lot of when I'm cooking, I don't add a lot. But you're welcome if you need to add some, you can add some. And I'm just smothering the roast slices in the sauce. And I'm just going to let the meat rest until dinner time. And it's ready to be eaten. So, thank you guys for watching. And if you like what you see, hit the like button And if you want to see more, subscribe. And then you can continue seeing different videos because I cook all kinds of things. But this is really simple. It's just to dump in the crock pot meal, and it's very easy. And not, well, it depends on how your beef is. Get beef when it's on sale. I got this on sale. So don't go out and buy expensive beef. But thank you again for watching, guys, and enjoy your meal when you cook it. Bye, guys. Toodaloo.